Hi friends, great afternoon and welcome to our daily analysis. Before going in detail, I want to give you a disclaimer. Whatever views and studies I'm sharing in this video are my personal views and studies. So I don't guarantee you any success or profit from this trade. You make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk-reward ratio. Friends, if you want to make your trade more profitable and efficient, you can convert your trades into algo trading, system-based trading. So if you want to know more about algo trading and get a 7 days free trial, visit my website algover.com. The link is there in the description. So visit the link right now itself. Also, friends, if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis, and share this video with your other trading friends. Friends, coming Thursday and Friday, we have exclusive masterclass. Friday, we have Superpower Trader, and Thursday, we have Price Action Secrets. Both will start at 7:30 p.m. sharp, and we will end by around 9:30 p.m. in the night. Right? So I want all you to register for this masterclass. Link to register for this masterclass is there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. Let us now start the analysis. First, we will see Friday what happened. So this was the moment happened on Friday. Friday, you can see the price just exactly went above the previous day's high, but in NYMEX crude, you can see it couldn't close the it couldn't sustain or it couldn't break the previous day's high, right? So you can see the price, it's all the previous day's high was somewhere here, that means Thursday's high, and you can see the price couldn't break that level, right? And the price was struggling within the range for a quite long time in the first half session. Then slowly it started coming down, right? And I told the CPR is, since it was a narrow CPR, I was not feeling it can be a strong support. And you can see there was a good candle which shows us like that it is going to come down, and it came down, right? It broke the first support level, and even it came very near to the second support level. From there again it was just playing between the level, right? And the same thing you can see in NYMEX crude. The after that again it tried to recover, but again it came down, and somewhere near to the intraday low it was trying to close it, right? So it was a big red candle. That's what I want to say. There was a selling pressure in that, right? Now let us do today's analysis. So always remember previous day's trend can continue today, right? First, let us see what kind of candle we got it. We got an engulfing candle here, right? This is a one pattern that the trend is slightly reversing. So it can come down. Where it can come down, it can come down and settle or take a support somewhere near to this zone, right? And you can see even though today in MCX there was a huge selling in the first 5 minutes, then it's to slowly started recovering, right? And you can see it's still acting as a good support level, which is around 56070 kind of level. And here NYMEX crude, you can see there also you got a big engulfing candle on Friday. That means the trend slightly reversed. The trend can be bullish only above these previous days high, right? And today that's what it's happening. There was a selling pressure and still it's in the red candle, right? So where it can take a support maybe at 73.89. That's what I am seeing, right? Now let us do today's analysis. So today, people would have thought it is a gap down day, right? Yeah, we can consider it's a gap down day, no problem. It's in MCX, but in NYMEX code there was no gap. You can see that exactly. It went and filled that gap, even though opening was here, but it went up to the previous day's high, previous day's low, and from there the selling pressure came, right? So there is no gap in NYMEX code, right? And the CPR is wide CPR. Normally we have seen that Monday can be a sideways day, right? And here also the CPR is a wide CPR. Now let us do the level analysis. The CPR starts from 6214 to 6246 level, right? Which is a wide CPR indicating a sideways day, and Monday is a sideways day, right? But one thing what we need to understand, this kind of candles normally whenever it forms, no, it will try to actually play within the range. So the main support and resistance can be high and low of this candle, right? Now what are the probabilities? Probability number one, it's if it take somewhere support here, it can recover and take a resistance at 6162 level and the weekly pivot level, which is 6175 level, right? Above 6175 level, it can go and hit CPR range. That's what the trend is showing, right? Similar way, if the trend continues, if it's the trend of bearish, if it continue with a good pattern, first support can be somewhere at 6070, then 6019 level, right? So these are the probability which I am seeing, and only in case if the CPR get breaks, right, that's a probabilities are very less, then we have to see 6303 level and the previous day's high, which is 6320 level, right? So this can act as a strong resistance. So above this, any breakout above this can actually lead into good bullish trend, right? But see, being a Monday and seeing the CPR range and other thing, I'm not expecting that kind of movement. Maybe I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. Sell on rise may be the one strategy I may be looking, but again, it's a probability gain. We need to see the price action at each location. Accordingly, we need to take the price, right? So that's all in this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.